Are you ready to create some new sentences? Click under My Sets under Sentences. You can start using and creating your own sentences. It was nice seeing you in class today. Make sure it's under the correct category and then hit the Add button. It populates down below. If there's ones that already have been created and you want to edit it, click on the Edit button right there. And then it populates up at the top. And then you can edit the sentence however you want. And again, make sure it's under the correct category before you hit the update button. If you want to learn more tips and tricks to use BlaBla Commentz, click on the Schedule Training button above and schedule a free training with me, Debbie.